That's just. Fine. Now don't run away. Don't run away.
Well, like I said, we were fine till I saw that thing in here.
They don't know.
And let's see what's going to do.
Discussing our garden.
Well, I guess they're all going home tomorrow.
I don't have anything to say. Say hi. Say hi.
Nice gathering, having it, been everyone together.
Be here today, and you know, it's been a long time since I've seen everybody like this, and I've just really enjoyed everybody. And it's been so many of them that I haven't seen, you know.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, you had a good time meeting all your relatives?
We're discussing.
Dennis.
We're discussing how old you are.
How old are you, Dennis? You're 40. 39.
What do you want me to say? Huh?
Are you?
No, I'm going tomorrow. In the morning. I sure am glad to be here to meet all you children. I haven't saw you for so long. So may God bless all of you. Hi. What? I don't know what to say, hardly.
About your ancestors.
Yeah. I was counting my grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Huh? Clara? I guess you didn't know.
Let me talk in this thing. I'm sure glad to be here.
I'm sure glad you're here. Yeah, I love you too.
Today, Mom.
No.
Trip for nothing.
Sure.
This day for nothing.
No, I sure am. I'm glad you're all here.
Yeah.
Glad you-
I gotta go now.
Yeah.
All right, then. I don't know you're trying to tie, but I know you're still glad you're here.
Oh, I'm glad they're all here. We wouldn't take nothing for this, would we?
No.
Okay.
Anybody ever come up with how many grandkids and great grandkids Grandma had here today, or all together?
We found out.